Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to system.io. So when you are on system.io, you're going to click on your profile and click on settings. Now here on this page, you're going to click custom domains. And now right here, as you can see, you can add one custom domain for this plan, free plan. Now you're going to add domain here. And you're going to enter your domain from GoDaddy. So you're going to go here and copy it. And click save. Now you will wait a little bit for it to load up. And as you can see, now you need to add DNS configurations to your GoDaddy. So you're going to go to GoDaddy and you're going to click on your domain. And here you're going to click DNS. Now we're going to add a new record from system.io. So you need to add a CNAME record for the name. You're going to add www, and for the value you're going to add all of this. You're going to click save. There's another record, so we want to delete it so it wouldn't conflict. And now let's save it. Now we also need to add this one. So from this one you need to copy these numbers, as you can see here, until the dot. And now you go back to the GoDaddy and add a new record once again. And from this one you want to copy everything. And you're going to add a value here and click save. And it will update your records. Now, when you've done that, basically the validation is pending, and it will take up to 24 hours or even 48 hours to confirm this. So yeah guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and then we'll see you next time. Bye.